Welcome back to New Life Scientific. My name is Steve. Today I'm going to be showing the CEM Discovery SPD system. This particular model is configured with the Explorer 48 autoloader and a computer with the Synergy software. The system is super simple to use, easy to program, very reliable. All in all, great unit. Everything is automated. Each sample, you can set the pressure and temperature you want to use, and it documents those temperatures and pressures. As I said, programming is easy. You can have a list of methods here. This particular one is set to 100 degrees, where this actually the test is set for 35 degrees. Changing it is as easy as moving the slide. Press OK. It verifies that you want to save that step. When we want to go ahead and program it, we simply click on the graphic representation of which cell it is. The rack are reversible, so that in one direction they'll hold the 35 milliliter tubes. Reversed the other way, they'll hold the 10 milliliter tubes. Simply by clicking on that cell, it adds it over into your queue list, and it's ready to run. By just using the play button, it goes ahead and starts the process. It's totally automatic. It will check and make sure that the proper adapter is in the well, since it had just run earlier. It didn't have to check that. It goes ahead and puts the cell in, seals the chamber, microwaves the unit to the set point. The set point can be either temperature or pressure. It will then, once it's achieved those results, it will cool the unit down again to its set point. There it's starting up to run. We have it set to a very low point. All your temperatures and pressures are recorded with that sample run. When the unit reaches its time and degree temperature set point, it will open the chamber and put it back into the unit. Unit can run up to 435 degrees centigrade. 300 degrees centigrade, 435 psi. Markable little unit, and is available from New Life Scientific.